All right, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. I ain't no pro at this, I'm just learning. So here is, now I read one thing where it says you put it this way on the rough side. One say you put it on that. But I'm gonna use the lady who said well, this is not right. That's folding up too much. This one, she said it's too long, it's too big. So I'm gonna lay it out. And you're supposed to fix it till it's spread like peanut butter. I'm doing mine because I don't think these are the right, they're not out for enough, but this the consistency I wanted. But I want to fold mine up on both ends. Yeah, I want to be able to fold mine on both ends. So this is supposed to be able to spread like peanut butter. And then I'm going to take some of the meat, and I want it meaty, and I'm going to go down the center. And then she said you bring it in. I think I got too much though. Yeah, these are too big. This is my first time doing this, so I got to learn. I made. So I'm going to set those there. But I want mine to close up on both ends, and I want to tie them up. So let's do another. I'm going to do one more with y'all. I'm going to get off of here because this is a lot of work and I don't want to be all night. So I'm going to spread it across. They say it should be able to spread like peanut butter, and I think this is the right consistency. I'm going to take my spoon to go get some meat. A little bit more meat than that. There's something I'm doing wrong here. It do come off though, y'all. But this one is a little thinner. This is how I want it. I want to be able to fold it on both sides and tie it up. And what I watched the lady do, she used the same, she used these and she tied them with these on each end. Y'all, until I learn how to do this, I ain't gonna be able to show because it's time consuming, and it's already late, and look, that's coming loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like when I get through.